Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. So ALEC Holdings IPO subscription has started from today, that is 23rd of September 2025. It will end on 30th of September 2025. Let me show you quickly how to subscribe ALEC Holdings IPO in few simple steps. First thing first, if you did not watch my earlier video where I have shared all the details related to ALEC Holdings IPO, I will provide a link right at the top. Do watch it, it will help you to make your decision. In this video, I will show you step by step how you can subscribe ALEC Holdings IPO. You will need a NIN, that is National Investor Number, from DFM, that is Dubai Financial Market. In case you do not have it, nothing to worry, you can get it in just few minutes. Just watch my video, I will provide another iCard right at the top. Follow the instructions and the steps, you will get the NIN in just few minutes once you have registered. Once you obtain a NIN from DFM, in case if you do not have a broker, nothing to worry, you can still subscribe this IPO. Your shares will be deposited in DFM CSD. It is totally safe. But then if at all in future, if you want to sell your shares, you will need to register with a broker and then you will be able to sell it in the market. So this was the process in case if you do not have a DFM NIN and if you want to register for one, and then you can subscribe this IPO. Now let's talk about someone who has already got the NIN. You can subscribe this IPO through the broker that you are already having. You can also subscribe it through the participating banks, or you can also do it through DFM official website, that is dfm.ae. Right on the home page you will find the link to subscribe ALEC Holdings IPO and just follow the steps. Once you receive your allocation, and if you would like to sell it in the market after the listing, obviously you can directly sell it in the market. So I hope it was easy. I have given you both the scenarios where you do not have a NIN and in other case you already have a investor number and a registered broker. If at all still you have any questions, feel free to comment, I shall respond. Hit the like button, subscribe for free daily updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market. I wish you all the very best. Thanks for watching. Keep stocking.